Hello everyone, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all to the Edu Genius Academy. Friends, today we have gathered here to explore the information about the job opportunities in administration and allied cadre offered by the Research Institute, that is Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO. DRDO offers exciting and challenging career opportunities to work on defense system, infrastructure and related activities in a broad spectrum of subject or discipline at its different establishments units spread throughout the country. Let's see the job opportunity as Store Assistant A Hindi Typing. Eligibility criteria: to apply for this post, candidate must be citizen of India. Candidates must be in good mental and physical health and free from any physical deformity. Next is educational qualification. To apply for this post, candidates should have done 12th from recognized board or university. Computer-based skill test. Hindi typing, in which 30 words per minute. Skill test duration will be for 10 minutes only. 30 words per minute corresponds to 9000 kdph, that is key depression per hour, on an average of 5 key depressions for each word. Next is age limit. As on crucial date of eligibility, candidates must be in between 18 years and 27 years of age. And age relaxation for the SC or ST candidates and OBC candidates including PWD candidates is as per the government norms. Now we will see the salary for this post. Salary: those who are selected on the post of Store Assistant A will get a salary pay at level 2 of rupees 19,900 to rupees 63,200 as per 7th CPC pay matrix and other allowances as per Government of India rules. Now we will see the selection process for this post. Normally candidates are selected through the Tier 1, that is CBT, Tier 2, that is Trade or Skill or Physical Fitness and Capability Test, and then document verification. So let's see in details. Tier 1 will consist of objective type multiple choice questions only. Tier 1 examination will be in Hindi and English and it is provisional selection test. Tier 2 will be qualifying in nature. Let's see Tier 1 in details. In Tier 1, there is maximum 150 marks for duration of 120 minutes, in which first 50 questions are based on quantitative ability or aptitude, general intelligence and reasoning ability, general awareness, general science, arithmetic and numerical ability. 50 questions on general English and another 50 questions are on Hindi or English language. Next is Tier 2. Those candidates who will clear Tier 1 will have to undergo Tier 2, which might be consist of trade test or skill test or physical fitness and capability test wherever applicable. For more information and updates, candidates are advised to visit to the Edu Genius Academy. That's all about the job opportunity offered by the DRDO after 12th. To know more about the different institutes and organizations and different career opportunities and job opportunities, do watch our next videos. Also do visit our notification section regularly. You can also use our chat with us facility to get your queries answered. Have a nice day. Thank you.